A lanternfly got stuck in a spider web. Nasty. Okay, it's day 2 of cooking something every day. I'm outside just because I haven't been outside at all yet today. It's nice, but it's time to go cook, so that's enough of that. Let's go. Okay, it's 3:15 p.m. I haven't eaten lunch yet. Very hungry again, so whoops. I've really been hemming and hawing over what I want to eat for lunch. I have these peaches that look really beautiful, but I just think they're not quite ripe yet. I really want to make peach scones, but maybe tomorrow. In the meantime though, for lunch today, I've got this zucchini, this big boy, and I'm gonna make a zucchini quesadilla because that sounds like the right mixture of healthy and trashy that I'm looking for at this time. A little cheesy, a little fresh veg. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. Zucchini quesadilla, day 2. We're still at it. Haven't quit yet. I think I'm gonna get a little nuts and cut the zucchini into rounds and then cook it on the skillet. It's not normally what I would do with zucchini. Normally I roast it, but we're trying new things today. Why not? Gorgeous. I think it'd be nice to saute the zucchini in some garlic, so I'm gonna mince up a couple cloves now. That's good enough for me. I'm just heating some oil in the skillet over medium heat. Now I'm gonna add my garlic. I'll let the oil and the garlic mingle for a second and then I'll throw the zucchini in there. Okay, I need this to be a flatter layer. And now I'm just adding some more olive oil before I add my spices and seasonings. These are chipotle chili flakes, garlic salt, and chili powder. I also added a little salt and pepper off camera. Okay, I'm feeling pretty good about this. I've turned off the heat. I wanted them to cook down a lot and get kind of a gummy texture because I want them to, you know, form sort of a uniform layer in the quesadilla, if that makes sense. So I think we're ready to assemble the quesadilla, except we're not because I need to shred some cheese quick. So let's do that. I'm using my favorite Cabot habanero cheddar cheese again. Okay, let's assemble this baby. Spin this around. Got these whole wheat tortillas I'm gonna use. At this stage in the process, I'm feeling really good about how this is coming out. I'm liking what I'm seeing. And I have to be honest with you, I'm not scared of a messy quesadilla. So look out. Okay, and let's put our cheese in there. The cheese is the glue that holds the quesadilla together. Okay, and I do feel like I shredded up the perfect amount of cheese today. And now we're going to gently place the second tortilla on top. Okay, now's the time in the quesadilla making experience where we're faced with a difficult choice. So the pan is dirty from cooking the zucchini in it. Do I clean it? I probably should, but I don't want to because it's just got oil and zucchini in it, and that's what I'm gonna use to cook the quesadilla. So do we really need to clean the pan? Did I just spill oil on myself? No, I didn't. I don't want to, and I'm not going to. Will that be a mistake? Let's find out. Okay, I'm turning the heat back on, medium low, and I'm gonna put a dollop of plant-based butter in there. I'm gonna let that melt. Okay, let's put the quesadilla in there and hope for the best. I'm gonna put this heavy thing on top to help melt the cheese. I've got this Big Daddy spatula, and I'm going to try and flip this bad boy with minimal casualties. Okay, we're under it, we're under it. Yeah! Okay, I think it's done. Let's try and transfer it to a plate. Oh no. Whoops. Okay, is it a little well done? Yeah. Also, is it a little too greasy? Yeah, but you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna blot it a little bit. While the quesadilla was cooking, I sliced up some avocado. I didn't film it because I didn't want to subject you to what occurred yesterday. It went much better today, I will say that. I'm gonna slice this first and then put the avocado on top. Okay, that is a nice crunch though. Okay, honestly, are we mad? Because I'm not. Okay, my toxic trait is that I love to just eat a whole avocado. Look at that, huh? Can we get a cross section? Ooh, ooh, she cheesy. Oh, and it's very hot still. It's burning my hand. Oh no, okay, I'm gonna put it down. Any self-respecting quesadilla needs a good dipping sauce or salsa of sorts. I've got, of course, you already know, Herdez, my one true love, but also I've got this Wegmans hot salsa. Wegmans is my other one true love. I'm gonna do a little mix. Make the hot salsa a little creamier, get a little nuts. A little bowl for dipping, why not? It's probably good. Now a little Herdez, and let's stir them together. I am into that. In the words of the late great Bob Ross, that turns me on.
I get excited when I see these, they turn me on.
Let's eat. I'm gonna be honest with you, this is probably gonna be a fork situation, but for the sake of the video, I'll take the first bite loose. Oh my God. We're crazy today. I'm not mad at it. I am not mad at it. I'll tell you that. I need a napkin. I was eating at my desk and I'm so full, but it was really good. Nap time?